I was determined to not let this video go in vain. As I began to season my meat, my steak, my shrimp, and then I went forward and cut up my potato in squares. I only used half a potato because again it's only me and I just don't want to overcook. And so I put the steak in the foil. I put the shrimp on top of the steak. I put my mixed vegetables and then I went forward with the potatoes. And so being that you guys didn't get to see me load the foil, I decided to describe it to you. I just had to move forward with this video. And it came out really, really yummy and delicious. I used frozen mixed vegetables, fresh potatoes, shrimp, and a piece of steak, as you guys seen in the beginning of the video. And so I'm just going to sample it within this video so you guys can kind of get an insight on exactly what it is in my steak boil. So I tasted the potato. The potato is really nice and soft. It's up to you how you like your potato. You may want to keep yours a little longer. I did 400 degrees on an hour and 15 minutes. The steak is absolutely tender. Again, I try to taste my food before I, in fact, go forward with editing. The steak is really, really tender and delicious. There's a lot of juice down in that for you if you want to dip or whatever you like to do. For me, I added A1 steak sauce, and that made it work for me. And it's delicious. I've been wanting to try this for a while, and I said, you know what, today is the day I'm going to go ahead. The veggies are awesome, you guys. They are nice and soft. I did not add any butter. I did not add any oil. I see a lot of people in their recipe where they add the butter and the oil. I didn't need that. Again, there's a lot of juice down in there, and it was really, really delicious. So let me know what you guys think about this video. Again, my apologies for missing the ad and stuff, but listen, I think me going forward and tasting it in front of you guys is even better. Make sure you like the channel, subscribe to the channel, hype up the video, leave your comments down below, and don't forget we now have a wish list on Amazon, which is now in the community section of the platform. You guys be blessed. Peace.